Hello everyone, I am Adesina by name. I am a farmer here in Ogun State, Nigeria. I am a graduate of animal science and livestock production. I've been into agriculture now for more than 6 years, having both practical and theoretical knowledge in both animal production and crop production. I also have experience talking about food processing. I welcome you officially to my YouTube channel. You are highly welcome. So you are going to be getting everything all about agriculture on this channel, talking about food production and talking about processing even to the marketing level. Also expect videos on livestock production, videos on agriculture, videos on animal production, videos on plant production, videos on processing, animal health, cropping system. A lot of agricultural videos await you here. So all I want you to do now is to click on the subscribe button, like my videos and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post any of my video, you are going to be the first person to get notification concerning the video. Please once again subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos and turn on the notification bell. See you around. Thank you.